Hi everyone, hope you all are doing really well. So we recently uploaded a new video on I don't know, okay, so on Selenium coding series. So have already explained like in the interviewer, like mostly interviewer are expecting you to write the code in Selenium also, like all the snippet of those code. So initially we'll be using framework. So yeah, right. So we'll be not able to write it the code, since in the framework you just call the methods and some of the methods only you'll write, but all like the basic authentic code will not be able to write in terms of interview. So if anyone asks, will you be able to write all those questions? So the syntax and everything will be gonna covering in this series. So here if you see, if I open the browser, we have already covered in the first video, wherein you just go and check it out what all explanation I've done it. I think that is a very good explanation. So if you just see that video in 7 minutes, you'll be able to write how to write the open the browsers or launch a URL script, the coding scripts. Okay, and then we'll be writing here delete all cookies. So I'm just gonna remove that open browser one and probably we'll be having, okay, let's not confuse people. So we'll be writing here delete all cookies, and then because for that you will be needing actually, so that's the reason we have written it. But here we'll be writing delete all cookies. Okay, delete all cookies. It will be the syntax or the format how you gonna write all those. So it will be like driver. They'll ask you to write it actually, so sometimes we don't know right how to write it actually. So the syntax, so we just have the methods like this. Delete all cookies is also a method wherein they want you to, they'll just check whether you will be able to write the code or not, like the format of methods or how it is. So method name is always starts with a small letter, and the rest all the letters which is coming of the different meaning, it has to be with a caps letter. For example, delete is one word, so delete is one word, right? And then all is also a new word. So delete will start from small letter, then all is a new word, right? Then it starts with all, and then cookies also new word, right? All cookies koi word nahi hota, right? So it will be like cookies is a new word, then again C will be this one, and then method will always have this open and close braces. Okay, so this is how we'll be using driver all cookies. Then we also have to set the size of the window. This is the new questions. I think most of the people does not know how to set the size of the this one. For this we'll be using a dimension class. Dimension class हमने यहाँ पे use करना. Then for example we'll be using a d as a different variable, and then you will be using a dimension class. I don't know I'm gonna import that or not. Let me see. We can import that Java. Okay, this dimension class we're gonna import it, and then I didn't define WebDriver driver. So here if we'll define it right in the class, if we define here, okay, we'll be defining by private web driver. Since I don't want to have the scope of the driver beyond this class, so I'll be just using a WebDriver driver here, and then probably it just asks, I don't know, it is asking for the classification, let it be. Then we will be having no, it is not. It is asking for creating. Maybe there were some dependencies that has not been downloaded. So it's fine. We can have that, and then anyways, so it doesn't work actually here. So let it be. हम इसे हटा देते हैं. Then we can have, okay, this is how you will create a dimension class you will be using, and then how you will pass. Okay, so driver. Then okay, there here we'll be using driver dot manage dot window. विंडो भी एक मेथड है, मैनेज इज ऑल्सो अ मेथड. ओके, ये ऐसे भूल जाते हैं, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू remember, but these all things you really have to remember. Set size, and then you will be passing here d. And here you can set the dimensions. Probably you can set 500 comma 500, and then you can use the same size here. So you can here you can set the size. Okay, now again the question is then we have a question like set the position of the window. In the next video I'll probably solve this driver thing. So okay, now we have here like set the position of the window. Now we have to set the position of the window. So we will have कैसे हम विंडो की पोजीशन को सेट करेंगे. तो फॉर दैट ऑल्सो विल बी यूजिंग अ डिफरेंट क्लास. विल बी यूजिंग अ पॉइंट क्लास. point p equals to new of point, and then what is the size. Similarly how we use it like dimensions. So you can have 250 size, or maybe length or breadth you can set it. Maybe 250 we had set it here. And then again there's a point class, we have it. We'll be having a point class in JWT. And then we'll be using here what? Here set size. Here we have ऊपर हमने साइज हमें सेट करना था, यहाँ पे हमें पोजीशन विंडो की सेट करना है, तो हम यूज़ करेंगे सेट पोजीशन. सो सिमिलरली विल बी हैविंग ड्राइवर डॉट मैनेज, मैनेज मेथड है डॉट, ठीक है, डॉट विंडो का हमें करना है, डॉट विंडो डॉट सेट पोजीशन. ठीक है, अगेन सेट क्या है, हमारी मेथड है, तो मेथड सेट एक वर्ड है एंड देन पोजीशन अलग से एक वर्ड है, and then we will be having a set position, and here we will pass a parameter which is p, and ta-da! And then again maximize the window. How are you gonna maximize the window? So for that you don't have to do any other thing. So you just like you don't have to create any class, you don't have to call any class, but here you will be using driver dot manage. यहाँ पे एक ऑलरेडी इनबिल्ट मेथड है ड्राइवर डॉट मैनेज डॉट विंडो डॉट, हमें क्या करना है, मैक्सिमाइज. एक मैक्सिमाइज करके ऑलरेडी मेथड है सेलेनियम में, एंड देन इट ऑलरेडी हैव अ मेथड इन सेलेनियम. सो या, so I think these are the 4 things. We have kept it short. I don't want to bore you guys. I wanted to have the concepts here to get clear, so we'll be keeping it short, this series. Like there will be a short questions which you will be able to understand all those concepts what I'm trying to convey. Here we'll be covering some of the basics also, like ऐसे method का नाम लिखते हैं, how to write a method and how to remember. So all those things you will be learning in this series, and comment down your ideas or anything you want me to improve on. And please wait for my video. I'll be coming up with many series of this one because I'm quite liking it all. And then okay, I'm also learning, right? So here you will be learning a lot of methods which is being used. So if the question will also be that what all methods you have used it in Selenium. So if you incorporate all those methods, what all classes you have used it in the Selenium code. So these are all the things which definitely help you out in these questions. So try practicing out, and this will really help you out. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel, and it will be really motivating me to do that. So that please do that. Thank you so much for watching this.